Let us see how you can perform seemingly complex calculations using very simple sum function. So here is our example. We have employee data, we have bonus and salary for year 2023 and 2024. And I want to calculate the sum of bonus or salary based on these conditions. The first condition is just for qualification, and then we have also added another condition for department. So first let's see how it works. If we talk about these two conditions, qualification and department, let us compare the conditions with the actual values. Equals this value, so we'll get true and false values. Similarly for department, let us compare these values with the department, and again we'll get true and false values. Now if I multiply these two results, this entire array multiplied by this for department, and we get zeros and ones. So where we have both the true values we get 1, and where we have false at even one place we get 0, right? For example in this case. And finally if we multiply this with bonus or salary, we get the results based on just these two conditions multiplied by, let's say let us talk about salary, and there you go. So where both the conditions are met, we are getting the salary, actual salary, else we are getting zeros, right? But we also need to consider this condition. It can be either bonus or salary. We cannot fix it like this. Let me show you. So basically this is turning true and false. So when I multiply this entire array with this array, let me do it here, this multiplied by this. So for false I am getting all zeros, for true I am getting 1 or 0 depending on this value, right? So multiplying with 2 is like multiplying with 1, and multiplying with false is like multiplying with 0, right? Now let us try to change it and see. Now for salary it is true because salary is the second column, and similarly the results are also changed. Okay, so finally we will multiply this result with bonus or salary, this range. Let's do it. Multiplied by this entire range, it will give us either salary or bonus, whatever we select here. Okay, and here we will calculate the sum finally, right? Now you understood the whole logic. Now let us write the formula here. Let me delete it and write it for you again. Sum. So for numbers I will first make comparison. For qualification, this equals qualification, and let me put it in brackets because now I want to multiply it with this comparison for bonus and salary, equals this, again put it in a bracket, and finally multiply it with actual values of salary and bonus. So basically we are multiplying this comparison with these numbers, and finally close the bracket for sum, and there you go. Now if I make it BA, it changes accordingly, and if I make it instead of bonus, salary, so it is considering this condition and this condition to get this result. Now we need to add another condition for department. So let me copy this. This is very simple. We just need to add another condition here. So make another comparison for department, equals this IT and close the bracket, move it to the cell below and done. Now if I make changes to this like audit, looks like there is no such match with MBA and audit, so I need to be careful here. Marketing, right? For MBA marketing, you can verify this result by applying filters here. So let me select MBA, and for department I will select marketing, and we just have two records. And for, if I show you the status bar, the sum is 17250, and for salary it is 265000. Let me clear the filters. And there you go, 265000 I just showed you. Let's say you have another filter here for year. So now we also need to consider this filter. I can select 23 or 24 year. So it is again very simple. Just add another condition here, multiplied by the year. Select this entire array and compare it with this cell. I also need to extend it and this range, then it will work. Now here we are also considering year. If I make it 24, you can see that it is changing here. Let me show you again, right? So it is very dynamic. Now we are actually handling 4 conditions for department. Okay, let me make it year. So we are handling 4 conditions: year, salary or bonus, then qualification and department, right? So this is how you can use sum function to solve such complex problems. I hope you found it useful. If so, please like and share it, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such useful videos. Thanks a lot for watching.